Hi everyone, my name is Celeste. Thank you for watching my video. My most recent field placement was done at Geisinger Medical Center with the medical social worker. Geisinger Wyoming Valley Medical Center is also my place of employment. I currently work there as a nursing assistant in the intensive care unit. Being able to combine my job role and when I worked alongside with the social workers really created a better picture of the whole process one goes through while they're hospitalized, as far as the time from admission until discharge. With the medical social worker, ultimately I worked alongside them for the discharge planning more so, but I really learned a lot from that experience, and I hope I get just as much out of my next field placement as I did that one. After this course, I do hope to be able to learn more about the process one does endure after a traumatic event. I want to learn more too about specific types of trauma that can happen. I feel like I will learn a lot about that with the dyad presentations that we have. I did choose a group that is something kind of new to me. I did choose natural disasters in that because I'm very fortunate I haven't really worked with that or experienced per se myself. I was in house fire, but I was very little, so I don't even remember any of it, which is the way I'd prefer it to be. Furthermore, I want to learn if there's any signs or symptoms to look for in knowing that somebody has endured trauma at some point in their life. I'm not too familiar of what to look for to know if somebody has had a traumatic event. Studying trauma will be beneficial to my future career because a lot of the fields that interest me are based around trauma or traumatic events. For instance, medical social work, drugs and alcohol is something that I am interested in, and various type of violence as well, all revolve around trauma in a sense. My hope is to better understand the overall situation of the patient or client as well. 3 things that I need to do to take care of myself this semester are sleep. My sleep schedule is not good at all. I work 3rd shift. I do 3 12-hour shifts a week, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. And thankfully I don't have any kids, but it's still a struggle sometimes to see family and get work done, sleep for work, and maintain a house that I have. Also, my eating habits are not very good at all either. I really need to try to eat properly and eat actual meals throughout a day instead of little things here and there, or coming home from work in the morning and eating a granola bar, sleeping all day, and then getting up and only eating a bowl of cereal, and then going to work for 12 hours and just eat yogurt and odd and end stuff at work. Lastly, I need to actually allot time to complete assignments. I do use a daily planner, and I write when the assignments are due. But I feel like if I write on a certain day, complete week 2 discussion, like on that day, I think that would definitely help me allot time more for the assignments. I do get everything done in a timely fashion when it's due, but sometimes I bite my nails to get it done. Thank you all for watching, and best of luck in this course.